Wanted to show you a feature that is available under the call to action. So let me show you Endgame, where we're going first. Here is a features block with call to action buttons. If I click on this call to action, you'll see it jumps down to this section, which happens to be what I selected, which was the opt-in bar. So it is at a very different part of the information page, but a technique that I know for many of you, if you want to click learn more, you want it to jump down to pricing options. So let me show you how you can select this. It is very easy to do. So on your Kajabi dashboard, I happen to have set it up underneath using features. So I'm going to click on this features block. Okay, this is it right here. And then if I click on the call to action for one of the features, here underneath call to action, it says go to a section on this page. So this is now an additional choice that we have as the call to action choices. And all you need to do is select which section you want to use. Now, I am a huge fan of renaming the section blocks because then it's very easy to find. So as you are building your landing page, you always have the ability to click on the three dots and then click rename. So renaming those as you are building it, if you decide to use the call to action of go to a specific section, it'll make it really easy. You won't confuse yourself, and that makes building nice and easy. So that is a feature that I am using. There are so many different ways that you can use that. So have fun with it, explore it. If you have questions, please feel free to let me know. Just to give you a heads up, I have different countries for a different business that I run, and I need them to be on different forms. So that's actually what I set up. So different than jumping to a pricing option, it goes to the section with that country's opt-in form. So I was able to stack different opt-in forms if any of you are in a similar situation, and Canada, Australia, the UK, and then you'll see I have one where I don't know every country that might be interested or where people might be. So I just made a world opt-in form, and then I'm going to allow them to select their country. So if you find yourself in a similar situation where you need people to self-select, self-identify, this is a very easy way to do it. And I am thoroughly enjoying the go to a section on the page. Have fun, get it done, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye-bye.